Hello. If you've been following my channel over the years, you will know that I have a real bad habit of putting things in my mouth that should not go in my mouth. God, what are those Pop-Tarts? Oh, those Pop-Tarts. Those were so bad. There was a lot of mystery box stuff. But I think the creme de la creme of awful things that I've put in my mouth space have been the Brachs Thanksgiving turkey dinner candy corn. You can go back and watch. There's a video from 2001. There's a video from 2020. They're bad. They're bad. They're probably going to release another set in 2022. I'm probably going to eat them. It's definitely going to be bad. But what do? So, much to my surprise, I thought, you know what? Hey, I got 12 months to recover. We're good. Not so much, because the fine folks at Brachs have decided to, for some reason, I have no idea why. This was with the Easter stuff, and it has, it is late night taco truck jelly beans. There's a cat. Hold on, let me get the cat. Okay. Say hi, Winker. Say hi, Winkle Cut Fries. Say bye, Winkle Cut Fries. Late night taco truck. Let me read to you the flavors. They have these ones labeled. We have margarita. Churro. Salsa. Horchata. Okay. Horchata, okay. Guacamole. And beef taco. You can see, you'll be able to follow along. You can tell that I'm definitely eating the right ones. There's a such thing as right ones. So let's do this. There's no, you can't really, I'm just delaying the inevitable at this point. Yeah. I don't think anything could be better or worse than those Thanksgiving. What was the real bad one? Was it the stuffing? I think was the worst. The turkey was real bad. All right, let's smell the bag. That'll give us a. Okay, the bag doesn't smell bad. The bag definitely has a. The bag doesn't smell bad. All right, let's dig in here. Let's see if I can find one of each, and then we'll go from there. There's a lot of the horchatas, so I think that's a beef taco, and that's a horchata. Put that to the side. Let's see, we got, that appears to be a guacamole. And that, I think, is that different? Yeah, that's different. That is the margarita. This, I think this might be the churro. I don't know. And I need a salsa. I need a salsa. Okay. Nope. I need a salsa. It's very hard to do this while you're just grabbing a couple out of the bag. Let's do this. There we go. Salsa. Okay. Go back in there. There's a lot of horchatas in here, which... All right. So we've got the salsa. Oh, let's go in order. That way I don't lose it. We have margarita. We have... Oh, no. Crap, I lost that one. Oh, crap. Hope the cat won't eat it. Oh, the cat will eat it. Let me find another one here. Son of a biscuit. Okay. So we've got margarita, we've got churro, we've got salsa, we've got guacamole, we've got beef taco, and we've got horchata. All right. Let's just get the inevitable out of the way. Let's do the savories here. Let's start with the guacamole. And I'm not in front of my sink again this time, but I do have a cup to spit into. All right. Guacamole. Oh my God. Oh, that's so bad. Oh. It tasted like angry grass. Oh, that was bad. Whew. Whew. Okay. Let's do salsa next. God, that was so bad. Oh. All right, salsa. That's salsa. It's not... It's missing that, like, refreshing... That pop of cold, refreshing that salsa has. That's salsa. Damn. I don't hate it. I never want to put another one in my mouth, but I ate it. I did not spit it out. That says a lot. All right. Let's do it. Beef taco. Pray for me. Okay. Here we go. Beef taco. Beef taco. Here we go. Oh, God. Beef taco. Here we go. I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that one bit. It tasted like taco meat, and not in a good way. All right, let's wash it down. Let's wash it down with a little horchata. Horchata. Oh. 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 That is lovely. That is lovely. It's got that creamy, spicy horchata flavor. That's that's good. That's good. Taco truck, so far, better than the Thanksgiving dinner. Churro. This has to be good. It's a freaking churro. How could this not be good? It's a freaking churro. That had no flavor. That really did not have any flavor. Let me see if I can find another one. That's odd. That didn't have any flavor. Churro. It's kind of... Ugh. There's nothing there. It just tastes like a freaking jelly bean. I mean... no. I don't taste churro. It just tastes like a jelly bean. I don't know. All right. Margarita. Margarita. Had a few of these in Mexico. Seeing Hootie Fest. Margarita. Take me back to the beach. Okay. All right. Let me tell you what's going to happen here. I'm going to take this bag. I'm going to take all those horchatas out. Because those are fantastic. I'm going to take all them margaritas out. Because those were also pretty dang good. And then I'm going to bury this Jumanji style. Where it can never be found again. Because, yeah. So, that's crazy. That's crazy. That horchata. The margarita was pretty good. Margarita was good. Very margarita-y. That horchata. This bag is probably worth it alone just for the horchatas. And there seems to be a lot of them in there. Nice. Very nice. So there we go. Coming in strong. Taco truck. Late night taco truck jelly beans. Avoid the guacamole. That is disaster. But I spit out the beef taco. That just didn't. I probably could have finished it. It wasn't awful. It just was. It just wasn't good. If I had to rank them, horchata, top of the line. Margarita, boom, right there behind it. Oddly enough, salsa. I put that third. It's salsa. If I bet you if that was cold, that might even give you that kind of like salsa. And then I would say beef taco and guacamole. And I wouldn't rank the churro because it doesn't taste like a freaking churro. Maybe I'll dig a couple more out and see if I get... But that did not taste like a churro. It didn't taste like anything. I can't even rank it because it just didn't taste like anything. I'm going to rank that crappy-ass guacamole jelly bean over the churro because it tasted like... At least it tasted like guacamole-ish. Gross, sugar-coated guacamole, but it tasted like guacamole. I also don't like guacamole that much, but that was not good. I don't mind guacamole. I can eat guacamole. I've never spat. That was gross. So there you go. If you, these I believe are only at Target. So if you fancy trying them yourself, or like I said, if you like horchata, hit this up. Just weed them out. There seems to be a lot. There are so many horchata ones in here. And then you get some of the margarita ones. It's a fiesta, baby. It's a fiesta, baby. All right. So thanks for watching. I guess we'll see you in the fall. When they release the new Thanksgiving dinner ones, because I'm gonna get them, and they're gonna be awful, and you're gonna watch. So there you go. All right, thanks guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.